Good afternoon, my name's Shep Ashton with MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'm here today on a 2022 230 Sunliner Harris float boat, Tri-Tune. The boat's 23 foot long, comes with a 150 Mercury outboard, stainless steel ski tow, and a stainless steel 4-step telescopic ladder. We also have an extended swim platform. Gives you some more extra room for jumping off the boat and having some fun on the lake. We have some external speakers out here as well for your sound system and radio. We got cup holders on either side. So while you're hanging out on the extended swim platform, you got a place to put your drink. Comes with a powder-coated black fence. This is the center walk-through. It gives you the ability to have balance on the boat. So you have people sitting on each side, able to converse easily. The black acrylic's the frame that goes all the way around the boat. This also has tons of storage in this boat. Every cushion in this boat has storage under it. Even behind the backrests, you have storage. Very nice arm chair there. You got the 2 cup holders. You've got 2 cup holders on each side with 12-volt charging for your phones on each side. And as I said, he's still got more storage under every backrest here. And that's a garbage can here. Dedicated storage for that. You got some more storage in here, and another armrest that comes down here. Changing table here, changing room here. And we have a 10-foot Bimini that's included with this boat as well. A nice captain's chair with a very high back, swivels so you can be part of the fun. Armrests come up and down. Nice upgraded steering wheel, very nice on the hands, comfortable. JL audio, speaker system, radio, wireless charging table at the helm here, USB and 12-volt. Nice Simrad, got your throttle, gauges, more storage under here, and again, under every cushion, you have more storage. 2 cup holders on each side with charging on each side as well. And again, more armrests. Wherever you sit, center walk-through brings you right out the bow. Have some fun jumping off the bow as well. More speakers under here. And a nice gray vinyl as well. Again, my name's Shep Ashton. The boat's located at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call anytime. Come out and check out the boat. Thank you.